Jollibee serves spaghetti because I've never actually been to Jollibee, so I don't know what their spaghetti tastes like. But for sure, it's sweet also. Right? It's quite a drive from here. We don't have one nearby, so the closest one would be in Toronto. So that's probably what, 4 to 5 hours drive from here. But I'd love to go and try it. I'm gonna use 4. Boil water now for our pasta. It's enough for now.
Is it done yet?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, it's still hard.
It's good. Tastes sweet.
Don't
Oh,
need
man.
anything else? I don't think so.
No,
No, that's it.
it's perfect.
Just gonna let it simmer a little bit more.
Sugary. I love it. Yeah. With sausage
thought it would be sweeter.
Just right.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cleaned it up.
Mm.
What is it? Good. Very good.